Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Jumping right into the video, this is the inside of the wig. This is Alipearl's Deep Wave 13x6 transparent lace frontal. The wig comes with a comb in the back and some adjustable straps in the back as well. So here I'm just tinting my lace with some makeup just to make sure everything matches my skin tone and is seamless. So this is just what the hairline is looking like. I did go in and pluck this wig myself. I did go in and customize the wig. I bleached the knots and plucked it a little bit. So on to parting space is a 13x6 lace frontal, 6 inches of deep parting space, and you can part anywhere on the lace. So going into installing, I'm just going to cut my ear tabs out just so the wig can fit a little more comfortably around my ear. I do have a very dedicated wig install video that I will link down below if you guys are interested in that. Basically all you do here is part around your ear and cut all that lace off, and you just want to make sure it fits properly around your ear on both sides. So I'm just going to separate the lace into 3 parts. I'm going to cut 2 slits by my eyebrows and kind of cut the lace off in sections. It just makes it much easier. And I'm just using a eyebrow razor to just razor the lace off in a jagged motion. So cutting your lace can be very tricky. You just want to make sure you're taking your time and really paying attention to what you're cutting off. You want to get as close to the hairline as possible, but without cutting into the hairline too much, if that makes sense. Before you go into gluing your wig, you want to make sure you look around and just cut off any excess lace that you don't need. The less lace on the wig, the better. Using some hairspray, I'm just going to comb all the flyaways down just so I can have a clean base for when I'm ready to glue my wig down. So to melt my lace, I'm going to be using the Bedhead Hard Head hairspray, and I'm just spraying the spray in sections. I always start with the middle, it's just easier like that for me, and I'm just going to blow dry it a little bit until it gets tacky. So I'm just pulling the wig down and laying it directly on the area that I sprayed the hairspray. And I noticed here that I cut the middle of the hairline like super weird, super uneven. But that was fine because I plan to do a side part with this wig anyway. I'm going to go right on top of that lace with the hairspray and press the lace in a little bit more with my comb. And here I was noticing that I was not liking how the Bedhead hairspray was melting the lace. I'm used to the Got To Be Free spray, and with the Got To Be Free spray, the lace automatically melts into your skin. But this particular hairspray, I had to work a little bit harder in a sense. Like, it was so hard to melt the lace, which was so annoying. I was getting so frustrated, and you guys will see I had to actually go back in with my Got To Be Free spray because using the Bedhead spray was just not melting my lace at all, and I did not like how the install was coming out. So when you're installing your wigs, it's best to work in sections. I always start with the middle, then I go to the side, and then the other side. In my opinion, this just makes your install much easier. So here I'm looking at the lace and I'm so annoyed. I am not liking how this install is coming out. But I kept going. I'm like, whatever. You can always finesse your installs. I was not about to take off this wig and have to redo my wig cap and everything. Like, I was not about to do all of that. So I just kept going and decided to just work with what I had. So as you can see, that lace is not melted at all. I was so annoyed at this point. I think this is the part where I go in. Yeah, so this is the part where I go in with my Got to Be Free spray. This free spray saved my install because I was so annoyed with the bed head spray, like trying to try some new things, but it just didn't work out. And the crazy thing is, I've heard really good reviews about the bed head spray, so I was really shocked that it did not work out for me. So I'm gonna go ahead and tie my thick elastic band around my lace and wait about 15 minutes until everything is dry. Moving on to baby hairs, I had to do these really thick ass baby hairs, y'all, on this one side because this lace on this one side was not it. Like, it was giving me super light, it was like a white halo around my hairline. I don't know if that was from the lace or I don't know if that was from the bedhead spray, but I had to keep going in with my Got to Be Free spray because this install was just not going well. So I'm going to take my Alipearl satin wrap and just tie my baby hair down and just tie that hairline down one more time just to make sure everything sets into place correctly. I waited about 15 minutes and this is just what everything is looking like. It looks so much better. The lace is melted so much better. The baby hairs are a bit much, but I had to finesse the install, y'all. Like, going into defining the curls, I'm just using some water to wet the hair thoroughly. And as you can see, as soon as I spray the water on the hair, like, the curls are bouncing back. Like, this hair is so pretty. I'm not really a fan of the deep wave texture, but this hair was super soft, super pretty, easy to detangle, and it really took almost nothing for the curls to pop. Now I'm going to go in with my Light Body foam wrap and just define the curls a little bit more. So I don't know about you guys, but on YouTube I love watching people define their curls. It's just so satisfying to me. I just love seeing the transformation of like the not so defined curls and just to see like the curls just pop. It's just so satisfying. So I'm going to let you guys just watch me define my curls and I will be back when I'm finished. this is the final look for the hair. I just went for like a side part this time since I'm always doing like middle parts on my channel. It came out really cute. I don't know if I mentioned it before, but I did end up dyeing this hair jet black, so that's why it's so black, and I'm like really loving the jet black. It's super cute. The hair is semi-dry, so I don't think it'll get any bigger than this. This is a deep wave texture, so usually deep wave hair doesn't get like really as big as other like curly textures. So this is the box the hair came in, and inside the box they gave me like a little silk bag to put my wig in when I'm done with it. So they did add a wig cap. I didn't use this one, but this will definitely come in handy for other installs. The wig was 24 inches and it came in this bag with this information card. These are just, what are these? These are just hair care tips, like to wash your hair, how to comb through the hair and everything, which is very helpful for people who are beginners like in the wig game. So last time I collaborated with them, they sent me this little cute wig scarf that was very useful for tying down my baby hairs and melting everything into place. Yeah, so this wig is like this full. I don't remember the density that I have, but as always, everything, all the information will be linked down below. The wig comes down to like my hip area, which is very long for a 24 inch, which is a good thing if you like longer hair, if you want to get like a bang for your buck. So a little bit about the lace. I did notice that it was a little bit harder to melt the lace, but I did use a different method to melt my wig. I used the bedhead spray. My first impression of it, I don't really like it. It didn't really melt the hair into place like my Got to Be FreeSpace does. This is a holy grail if you do wigs, or if you install wigs on yourself, or if you do your hair at home, anything. You need to get you some Got to Be Freeze Spray. I did have to go in with the freeze spray to try to melt the lace more, because the lace just, it was like giving me highlighter effects. Yeah, like on this side I had to do extra big baby hairs because the lace on this side would just not melt. Like, I don't know what it was, but luckily I did a side part, because if I did like something like a backstop, like something that'll show this hairline, but it came out pretty cute with the baby hairs. I do like extra baby hairs when it comes to my curly hair. I think it's really cute. I didn't do too much on this side, just one little swoop, and then the sideburn area. But yeah, this concludes the ending of the video. If you guys like more videos like these, make sure you give me a thumbs up. If this is helpful to you in any type of way, make sure you give me a thumbs up. If you like this curl pattern, this is deep wave on me, and the little side part, make sure you give me a thumbs up, because I'm switching it up for y'all, because I always do a middle part. I'm totally like a middle part girl, but I do like this side part. It's pretty cute. If you've tried this bedhead spray to layer lace, let me know your experiences with it. Let me know like if it was just me, did I do something wrong with it? So if you got this far, make sure you leave me a black heart down below. I like doing this because this just lets me know who are my loyal subscribers, who want to see me win, and who just enjoy my content overall, so I can keep coming with more content for you guys. I have gotten a ton of new subscribers lately. Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Shatari. I'm sorry if I didn't introduce myself at the beginning of the video, but thank you for subscribing. Thank you for joining my journey, and I appreciate all of you guys. Make sure you follow me on all my social medias. Everything will be linked down below, and yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.